Hi, today we're gonna make stir-fry squid with hoisin sauce, and that's the squid we're gonna use. I make around 2 pounds, quite a bit. So I show you how to clean that squid. And first you have to cut the head off, and the head they have a little mouth in the middle between the two eyes. So you split them open, and you can see the head, the mouth here, you can see that round thing in there. So you take that out, not the eye, but the one between the eye. Okay. Then you split this in the middle, like that. Then you use a knife to kind of clean it, scratch everything out, so you clean. So after that, you're gonna cut it like cross cut, like that. Yeah, like that, and that's done. This way and this way, and cut it in two. I think that's it, and done. See, now the water boiling, so you put this in it. They only take a few minutes to cook. See, they cook real easy. Okay, that's about only take a couple minutes, so we can turn it off and drink the water. See, just take it off like that, and drink all the water down. Then we're gonna put some oil in it. Enough to cover the bottom of the pan. So we're gonna stir fry these with some gingers, onions, and green onions, and some hot chili pepper, hot ones. We're gonna put the onions in it and the ginger. Also a tablespoon of chopped garlic. Okay, so you brown up the onion, then after that you put the squid in it. So you're browning up pretty good right now. Then we're going to put some Hoisin cooking wine in it, about 2 tablespoons. Three tablespoons of hoisin sauce in it. 1, 2, 3. One tablespoon of soy sauce in it. And also, I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce in it. I'm going to make it little spicy, so I'm going to put little red crushed pepper in it. And 1 teaspoon of crushed red pepper. One tablespoon of sesame seed oil. And a couple teaspoons of sugar. We're gonna sprinkle some of the white pepper on. Just one, just like that. Just a little bit. Well, I think it's done. Okay, this is stir-fry squid with Hoisin sauce.